Hi everybody, my name's Jason and this is my YouTube channel. This is something I've wanted to do for a while and I'm finally kicking myself in the butt and actually getting it going. So the main reason for me creating these videos is I'm a photographer and I take a lot of still photos, which you'll see on my channel from time to time. But also I wanted to learn video. Obviously, being a photographer, I know a little bit about lighting and editing, etc. But I wanted to create some stuff that maybe somebody I might actually want to watch when it comes to video. Now, nobody may actually watch these videos, which is perfectly fine. This is just something for me to actually learn and learn how to edit video and add music maybe, and get the audio right. And I hope that eventually I get better at it, and who knows what's going to be on here. It may be the craziest thing in the world. It may be me working in my yard. It may be who knows what it may be. So if you want to follow along, hit the subscribe button and see this little crazy journey that I'm going to go on. And I hope that it gets better and much more interesting than even this video. So I thank you for being here and have a good day. We'll see you soon.